Kevin is actually out already this morning. He is over at the apartments working on the furnace that is not working. We're hoping we can get it working today. The people that it's the apartment that it's not working at, they're understanding. They have space heaters and whatnot, so but he's got to try and get that working today. He woke up, he's not feeling that great. He has a headache. And we had no coffee in the house, so he didn't get his coffee this morning, so that made it even worse. And not to mention that he had to move Chrystal's car so he could get his truck out, and he kind of scratched Chrystal's car. So, but Chrystal's okay. Yeah, she hasn't looked at it yet, but he said it's just a scratch, so he scraped it. Yeah. So we'll see. What was that? My handyman can fix it. Your handyman? It's Quan the handyman. So, what are you guys doing today?
I don't know what it's called. We're going to see
Jericho?
Yeah, Jericho Park.
Jericho Park, and they're taking the dogs with them. Oh, Angel just almost took a header off the couch. Oh, Angel. Oh, Angel. Yes, she's got her Santa baby dress on. So, anyway, guys, that's what's going on. I am doing my chores around the house, doing some laundry, and just trying to get some stuff done because Megan's coming in 2 days. Ah, Megan! Alright guys, we'll catch up with you later. Bye.
Alright, here I am back in the basement working on this Beckett furnace. And I've got fuel coming in. I have no spark. So I'll have to pull the gun and see if there's anything wrong with that. Alright, so I spent pretty much all day working on this thing. And from what I can tell, it has no fuel flow. It could be either the pump is dead or the line is clogged. I doubt if this thing's been serviced in a very long time. So I'm at the end of what I could do today. And the battery on my camera, of course, is dying. So I don't quite know what to do at this point.
2 more days till Megan comes. Megan comes. Megan comes. 2 more days till Megan comes. Happy holidays.
Yay!
Can you tell I'm excited?
Uh-huh.
I can't wait. It's going to be so much fun.
I hope so.
It will. I haven't seen her since her graduation.
I know.
I'm excited. Very excited. We're not going to be able to do much with her because of everything that's come up and all her money is now gone. But hey, everybody's got heat. Well,
no, that's not true.
Almost everybody. So, but what'd you end up doing today, babe?
I spent about 4 hours working on a furnace. And all I've managed to do is figure out that it's probably fuel pump is dead. And I need to replace the fuel pump. Or I need to hire somebody to go out there and do it because I don't know how quickly I can get parts in this place.
Yeah, so we gotta get that taken care of. Our tenants are using space heaters right now.
Mm-hmm.
So, but Chrystal and Quan went out today for a little while, and I just been doing laundry and cleaning up the house and getting ready for 2 more days till Megan comes. Megan comes. Megan comes. 2 more days till Megan comes. Happy holidays.
All right.
So, I'm very excited. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and watch Bird Box.
Bird Box.
Ah. Everybody keeps saying how great it is, so we're going to check it out.
You've lost your dog, by the way.
Yeah, she looks really nice and warm and comfy over there. So I'm going to go ahead and hold the camera, and you're going to do the closing. I'll say it. See if she'll stay with you and how.
Probably won't. She'll probably go up there.
Let's see. We're going to go ahead and call it an evening. We hope you enjoyed a little bit of something that you may have seen on our video today. If you did, please give us a favorite, a thumbs up, a comment, share, but most of all, please subscribe. And we'll see you tomorrow. Ta-ta for now. I love you. You gotta say it to her.
I love you.
And Freckles was howling down here, or moaning, and now started to choke. And Zeus is over there just like, yeah, whatever.
What is all this noise?
And Bodek is sound asleep in both beds. Say goodnight, guys.
Good night, y'all.
Bye.
Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.